everybody. We'll be exploring Minecraft. You know me, Tyler. I made 1 and 2, so you know this is the 3rd. We'll be going on some really cool roller coasters. I don't know where to begin. They're all really good. I took a lot of time to make them. So, hold on tight because we're taking a cool adventure through my roller coaster. Which one do you want to do first? I think we should do the Matterhorn. Yeah, everybody, raise your hand if you went to Disneyland and you saw the Matterhorn ride. Okay, so let's get on. Please remain seated. Let's do it! Woohoo! It'll be going by itself. Now let's see which one we should go on. Now we're gonna go on the Big Thunder Mountain. If you raise your hand if you've been to Disneyland and went on Big Thunder Mountain. Okay, let's go on. This is gonna be awesome. So go slow in the beginning on mine. On the wheel one, it goes a little faster. This one is slow, but here we go. You can see we're going into the pumpkin house. Woo! Now where are we going? Now let's go on Dark Black Scarlet. Okay, let's get on. I just can't wait. It took a long time for me to build Big Black Scarch. Oh no, where are we going? Oh, here we go. Let's go, folks. Off, and off we go. So, we're going into the Haunted Palace. That's broken. Covered in goo, too. You can't see the Bridge of Dooms is here. You can go, woohoo! Okay, put your hands up, down we go, down, woohoo! And that's it. I know you haven't been to Disneyland and went on this one quite yet, because they didn't make this one. But we'll go to that on the very last. Oh, here we are. The water ride. My favorite water ride. As you know, my name's Tyler. I built it. I wish. When I grow up, I'm going to work at Disneyland, if there is a Disneyland. I know that way it's not that long. On my next video, I'm going to tell you we'll be finding the key to open this door. Okay, there we can go. Oh, we can't go in. Okay, not that. Well, we're here since we went on all the roller coasters. Let's explore the underground cave. You all love caves, right? We're going down. Whoa! Ah! I know this is so scary, people. Whoa. I should have collected my stuff. A tunnel could be a little tricky sometimes. Who knows? Hold on. Let me go to E. What we are looking for. Where is it? It's usually here somewhere. The light. Oh, it's down here, silly me. Okay, now let's find our wheel stuff. Oh, here we are. Where are we? We're trying to go down this way. This way? Which way do you want to go? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. It's so dark. Whoa. It's dark. What is that? Oh, water! We need that! We need that! No. We don't want to drown in here. We should have took the other way. Let's go the other way. Let's find our way out. I actually kind of want to take this way. Oh. Oh, lava. That might be a little hard to get through. Let's do this way. Let's go this way. This is the water area. There's something up there. We're going to swim to it. Oh, here we are. We're back. Here we are. Coal? Mommy, come on. Coal? Gold! Wow, that's creepy. Maybe we can find some. Hold on, let's break out the light. Ah! Wow, what is that? A dragon head! That's silly. Okay, let's try a different one. I don't really like this one. Ouch. Whoa, it's a windy day. Oops. Fell in a tree. Mommy. Guys. Mommy. Is it almost time to turn it off?
Did you stop again?
No?
Okay, yeah, probably.
Well, thank you for joining me in number 3. I really found that cave under that tunnel. Maybe we can see what's down there on number 4. See ya.